this is Chandni Singh and welcome back to my channel. For those who are watching my channel for the first time, I'm a hair and makeup artist based in New Delhi. Our studio is in Lajpat Nagar. We do professional and personal makeup classes. We also do bridal makeup and party makeup appointments. And we also have our own brand by the name of CS Essentials India. This is our Instagram handle and you can check out our product range. We sell a lot of lashes, we sell Indulge Oil, the Embryolisse Cream, brushes from Crown and a lot of other products. So today's tutorial is about a DIY hairstyle. There have been too many requests to do simple hairstyles for the party season, and I thought, how about doing one right here today? For all those who keep asking me what hairspray I use, I'm using the L'Oreal Elnet Satin. Whenever I'm traveling abroad, I always pick up these travel sizes because it's so easy to store them in your personal kit also. So I'm just going to take my tail comb and I just start with doing a zigzag parting. So this is what my parting looks like. In fact, I don't like very clean and crystal clear partings. I feel the hairstyle just looks a lot more relaxed. You can always use a little bit of hairspray right here just to kind of keep the hair down on either sides, right? After this, I take my tail comb again and I'm just going to first section my hair till my ear. I can't really explain it, right? So basically your parting needs to come from your hair until the slightly off center depending on where your parting is, right? I always do that. And I'm just going to push my hair back. In today's tutorial, I can't really section it back. I just keep this hair in the front and now I just pick up a 1.5 inch or a 1 inch section. After I pick up the section, I am just going to do 2 equal sections of it and I'm going to start my hair. So after I pick up these 2 sections, I make sure I just kind of make them really clean and I hold both of them separately and then I just do a crisscross on top. After I do a crisscross, I again twist it. And once I've twisted it, now I'm going to pick up a section right from the front. And while I pick up the section, I'm just going to take some help from my other hand. And I'm again going to crisscross it once. And then I crisscross it the second time. The second crisscross is very important. If you skip it, the hair is not going to look like this. After I do that, again with my thumb, I take another section right from here and this is what it looks like, and then again the second crisscross. Again I just take a section, try and take equal sections so that the braid looks equal, and I crisscross it. And after I crisscross it once, again my second twist, and this is what it looks like. Again I'm taking another section right from here and I crisscross this and I do a second twist again. I've now taken all my hair and I've put it on one side because if you see, the hair in the front is completely over. Again, after I've done that, I'm just going to pick up a section right from here and I am going to do a twist again, and of course do not forget the second twist. Again, I take some hair right from here and I do a twist again. And now again, please note that now my sections are becoming thicker because if I'll keep doing very thin sections, it becomes really difficult. So I take the section, I clean my hair down, and I do a twist, and I do the second twist again. And now again I pick up another flat section right from here, trying to keep it as clean as possible. And now again I twist it. For the remaining hair, I'm just again going to spray a little bit so that I don't have too many flyaways. And now I'm going to take this entire section and I'm going to add it here and I'm going to twist. And now that I've taken the entire section from the back, I am just going to do a twist right until the end. And I just take a rubber band and I'm going to secure it right there. After you're done twisting, you'll have a little loose hair here. To get rid of that, just twist a lot more just to make this section a little tighter. Now what is important is, where do you want to make your braided bun? Right. Now I always prefer it below the ear right here because I feel that just looks a lot more prettier in terms of placing. I don't like my bun to be like protruding out of my head. After I do my twist, I'm just going to hold it here. I'm going to take this and I'm just going to twist it around. So at any point you can't let go of your hair, right? Please see how I'm still holding it. I'm now going to take a U-pin and I'm just going to start securing this. And now I'm going to take this tail and I'm going to hide it inside my bun. Now I'm going to take the tail, and to secure the tail, I take a U-pin and I just kind of rotate the tail of my hair on it, and I'm just going to push it right into my bun. So in fact I like it a little messy, but at the same time you need to see the shape you've created on yourself. And I'm just going to take some flowers and I'm going to accessorize it. So there you go, I've accessorized it right here. I'm now going to take my tail comb and my hairspray and I'm just going to spray it a little bit. And I'm just going to comb it on top just to give it a slight neatness. Also, before I sign off, always remember that you can always pull a few of these strands out in case you like a little bit more volume. I think that looks much nicer now. And I don't spray too much also, but at the same time a little bit of spray is just going to keep the hair in place better. So I hope you like this tutorial, guys. Do let me know in the comments what you think. If you did like it, give me a big thumbs up, and in case you did not, I'm okay to get all those negative comments as well. I think it's all a part of growing up. I'm really trying to keep the content strong, and if you wish to see a certain tutorial, you can always leave a comment. I do read all comments. I try to respond to you guys as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now.